I just called her a pig. You have a great team because you're so great. No, no more. Joey's food fight. El Mercado de la Cruz.
El Mercado de la Cruz is a vibrant marketplace where colors, aromas, and flavors come together in an unforgettable symphony. Nestled near the heart of Querétaro city, this bustling market has become a beloved destination for over 4 decades.
Hey everyone, this is Ari. I'm here at the Mercado de la Cruz in Querétaro with Joey's food fight. We just had amazing lunch.
Gorditas.
Gorditas de migajas. How did you like it?
Perfect. They were sabroso, tiene queso y carnitas y salsa picante con limones.
Con limón.
Sí,
Yeah.
claro. Where are we? We're in the center of Querétaro.
This is El Mercado de la Cruz, downtown Querétaro, Mexico. That is the center of Mexico. The whole country, this is the geographical center of Mexico.
Prepare to be captivated by the freshly ground artisanal coffee. Yumzo.
Let's have some coffee.
Let's have some coffee.
My drink is an iced latte with vanilla.
He's toasting it right now.
This is the guy that's been editing my videos. What's your name?
Hi, Edgar.
Superstar! My superstar. This is such a great team. This is such a great team.
We have no clue.
You have a great team because you're so great. Ari,
I'm living the dream right now. We are living the dream having you in Querétaro.
she's my sister. De un otro madre.
What an amazing array of fruits, from the tiniest to the most exotic, all gathered in this vibrant stall. This establishment stands as a testament to the very existence of Mexican cuisine. A tapestry of flavors, colors, and textures that not only nourishes the body, but also brings smiles to all the faces.
A sample.
This is Mandarin?
Yeah. Gracias.
1 kilo. Check this out. It's delicious. Ooh,
Again?
I'm very sensitive to sour. It actually hurts. It actually hurts. No, no.
No, it's not, Joey. It's the peel. Don't eat
It's
the
delicious.
peel. This may be a little bit more sour, perhaps. Is it better? Okay.
This is what I like, but this is what the kids do.
Look
No
at-
mas, no mas.
You have to try that
Oh,
one.
no, no.
That's very rare.
Come, todos. Come on.
Ven, Gaby. Mira esto.
Come on.
Ven. Okay.
What's this?
I don't know the translation. It's a dragon fruit.
Grosses me out.
I say that it's like boogers. They look like boogers.
That's more gross.
I know.
It's delicious. It's like eating a raw shrimp. It's slimy. It's delicious. But in my mouth, I just want. People always say that you eat when you eat. It's the texture. Ever had a scallop? It's weird. Es sabroso, pero. So the salad is cenoria, cebolla rojo, cabbage, a pepinos, perfect for today, and I have broccoli.
Okay.
On the side, they want hot sides. That's what they asked for.
Yeah.
Okay. Yo quiero dos. Eso. Es más bonito. Dos. Oh, pero eso también. No, no more. I can't do anymore.
It's a fig.
It's too much sugar. I love figs. This is the guy that. This is the guy.
And that's the team back there. Say hi.
I just called her a pig. There's a woman at the orphanage called Conchita. I called her Cochinita. Everybody laughed because that means I just called her a pig. But I didn't mean to, and she knew it. She knew it.
She knew it.
So the rest of the trip, everybody's like, Cochinita pibil está. I'm like, no. I didn't mean to. But you have to be very careful with your words in this country. Very careful. Okay, 4 kilos molido para hamburguesitos. No, para gordo hamburguesotas. All right. 4 kilos para 20 personas. Voy a cocinar French fries, papas francés.
Each hamburger 100 grams, and you take 4 kilos. Those are 40 hamburgers.
Every town I go to, I find a meat guy, and you come back and they love you, and the whole community sees you spending money in their community, and it becomes bigger than you could imagine, and you get great prices, and you get great relationships, great connections. Look what he's doing. Look at it. Fresh ground beef for hamburgers for lunch.
I have something for you.
Yes.
So this guy just approached me and said, "Who is this guy?" And I said, "This is a chef who travels the world and cooks for children."
Right.
Is he on YouTube? He gives me his phone and says, "Please subscribe," and he already did.
And he's a fish guy. What is
Yeah,
he? Oh.
but he has a fish stand with a cross for the where.
My job is to bring money and spend it locally.
He's currently working on the 3rd orphanage in the Pueblito area. He's been in Querétaro for 3 weeks now. This food that we're buying is for children who don't have family and they are under foster care.
Oh my God. Yes. Perfecto. Look. 80. It's just so big.
Is it?
It's too much food for them.
They're teenage boys.
They're teenage boys.
Yes, and they eat a lot.
Pues,
Yeah, take
20.
it.
I think the kids would like this. These in salads. They're crunchy. They're not. It's not bread. Oh my God! I make every salad better. So does Parmesan cheese and garlic powder. Oh, and oregano, dry oregano.